We started building our material sorter. We got the top done right here. We bent this part so that this had the correct angle. Added our cortex, and tomorrow we are going to be adding another support here so this doesn't wobble, and hopefully try to add some of our motors into the material sorter. We put on our servo for the cup. We put on the support here, and we were going to put on some of the sensors, but we decided to do that later because we're making this ramp so that the marbles fall through correctly. The problem we had today was right here, this ramp needs to be closer to the bottom here, but because of the angle and the tight space, the screws are a little hard to get in, so we're gonna have to work on that on Monday. Today was a very frustrating day because the ramp wasn't working because the screws weren't going in the holes properly, some weren't lining up. We had to find this piece so we could have the ramp tunnel be a square and not a rectangle. We had to use these standoffs, but they turned out to be non-useful. It took us about 10 minutes to get one of the screws in.
It was clean when you walked in, it needs to be clean when you leave. Get back over here, clean up all these parts.
And we started putting the line follower on, and we're trying to figure out a way to bend it properly so that that stays up there and it lines up with one of the holes and it can read the marble that'll come down right there. Today we put on our sensors. We were going to do a different design, but it turned out to not work out so well, so we changed it. We now have an encoder on the motor, and the cups are going to go on top of there, a light sensor, and a flashlight which will be put on. The ramp changed, and mostly similar design, but just a few changes within the sensors.
We didn't change anything to it. I already turned it.